In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix your Lorex camera if it has offline issues. So you should just follow this series of troubleshooting steps. First is to ensure that the camera are properly plugged into a working power source. And if it is a wireless or a battery operated camera, you can check or replace the batteries. Now disconnect the power adapter from the camera and the main hub and wait about 30 seconds and then plug them back in. Allow a few minutes for the devices to fully restart and attempt to reconnect it. So ensure that the camera is within range of your Wi-Fi router and the camera needs a stable network connection to function. So these cameras typically operate on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band, which has better range and wall penetration than the 5 GHz band. So you may need a Wi-Fi extender if the signal is really weak. And verify that the Ethernet cables are securely connected and not damaged. And check the NVR's network settings to ensure that the LAN port is connected and the HCP is enabled to assign a proper IP address. And that's how you can fix your Lorex camera offline. Thank you for listening.